Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lemon sorbet at home. Start by gathering your ingredients: fresh lemons, granulated sugar, and water. The first crucial step is to create a simple syrup. Combine 1 cup of water with 1 cup of sugar in a saucepan over medium heat. Stir until the sugar fully dissolves, then remove it from the heat. It's essential to let this syrup cool down completely before moving on to the next step. Now, let's focus on the star ingredient: lemons. Carefully zest 2 to 3 lemons, making sure to avoid the bitter white pith. This zest will add a wonderful aromatic depth. Next, juice about 4 to 6 lemons to yield approximately 1 cup of fresh lemon juice. Strain the juice through a fine mesh sieve to ensure your sorbet is perfectly smooth and free of any seeds or pulp. With your simple syrup cooled and your lemon juice prepared, it's time to combine them. Pour the strained lemon juice into the cooled simple syrup. Stir in the lemon zest you prepared earlier. This combination creates the vibrant base for your sorbet. Now, place the entire mixture into the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or until it is very cold. This chilling step is vital for proper churning. Once your mixture is thoroughly chilled, pour it into your ice cream maker. Churn according to your machine's instructions, typically for about 20 to 25 minutes, until it reaches a soft serve consistency. Transfer the freshly churned sorbet into an airtight container. Freeze it for at least 4 hours or until it's firm enough to scoop. Enjoy your refreshing homemade lemon sorbet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.